If your Samsung Galaxy Fit3's sleep tracking isn't working, it fails to detect when you're sleeping, and the results are inconsistent overall, then in this guide I'll show you how to fix your Fit3 sleep tracking issues in just a few simple steps. First of all, we'll start by restarting our watch. Sometimes, if your watch has been running for a long time, then this may cause some software glitches, which can hamper your watch's sleep detection ability. So first of all, restart your watch, and after that, let's go through these other steps. If you're having trouble measuring blood oxygen level and snoring while you're sleeping, then ensure that they're enabled in the sleep tracking settings. For that, open Settings, go down to Health, tap on Sleep, and from there you need to make sure that blood oxygen level is enabled and snore detection is set to always. Then you also need to ensure that your Fit3 sensors is not too dirty. They should be cleaned and properly, because unclear sensor can cause inaccurate reading and fail to track your sleep altogether. Then you'll also need to ensure that your Fit3 is running on the latest firmware. To check that, you need to open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone that your watch is connected to. After that, go to Band Settings, then go to Band Software Update, tap on Download and Install, let it check for updates, and if you see your software is up to date, then you're good to go. Also, an important thing that is often overlooked is keeping your phone nearby when you're sleep tracking. This will resolve any syncing issues. And last but not least, you need to wear your watch properly so that your Fit3 doesn't have any trouble sleep tracking. You'll need to wear your watch as tightly as you comfortably can so that it doesn't move around while you're sleeping. After that, try using sleep tracking again, and if it's still causing issues, then the last thing you can do is reset your watch and set it back up. After that, it should be fixed. If not, then you should get in touch with Samsung support for further assistance. And that's all for this video. Let us know how it went, and if this helped, make sure to drop a like, follow us by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.